Snap that up.
Under 5,000 feet.
Yeah.
Walk under the what? Hoover Dam Lake.
Yeah, under Hoover Dam, I guess. Hoover Dam Lake probably.
We are walking under the Hoover Dam Lake.
Yeah.
Ton.
Under the lake.
I could feel the water.
For the cold too, because the water.
Yeah,
Under the water, right? Wow. Wow. Look at that. Ooh.
Come on in, guys. Anywhere along the railing, please.
ไปลงไปอีกนี่มันกันไดลงสะอาดเนาะสะอาดโซคลีนเนาะว่าคือมันสคลีนปานนี้
Please, anywhere along the railing.